Welcome everyone to HFN. We're also known as HueFin News. I also want to say welcome to our trap watcher. This is what we do. We pay attention to what the trap is going to do to make sure that we are in position to eat. Right? We always want to come in the market, surveil the landscape, see what's going on. Can we capitalize on this price movement so that we can continue to eat, or do we need to sit the sideline and wait until we get something more attractive that we can pounce on? This is Tattoo Chef right here. You guys can see that we ate. Our last price prediction into the market in Tattoo Chef was on June the 16th. And we told everyone on that video to expect the price to go lower. That is precisely what the market has done. Pretty good, right? You can do the same thing. Or at least you could join our community so that you can have a heads up as to where the market is going to go. We're not here to confuse you. We're not here to hype you up. We're here to make sure that you're able to profit and that we all can participate in this price movement so that we all can win. We're only here to dominate the markets. Everyone else is trying to persuade you to act a certain way. We're here to make sure that you're in position to win. So if you want to join this winning team, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Also, we'll recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on our updated price predictions, because we don't get every price prediction correct. And when we get it wrong, we'll show you that too. We're not here to hide anything from our community. We're here to grow together. We're here to win together as a team. So join us, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Now check this out. Okay, I'm gonna break down what happened into the market in Tattoo Chef from our last video on June the 16th, right? One thing that was huge that occurred into the market that we saw that kind of told us that, yeah, be prepared for the price in Tattoo Chef to go lower. Be prepared for that. And it happened right there. Take a look. June the 15th. The volume was heavy. That's one thing I tell everyone in our community is whenever you look at a price chart, pay attention to the volume, because only huge financial institutions can create that much volume, right? Especially when they come in and participate. You can't hide their footprints. When they come into the market, you'll know it. And they came into the market on June the 15th. And how the market participated, or how the price moved on that day, told us, hey, get ready. This price in Tattoo Chef is about to drop. And we told everyone in our community about that, to be prepared. So 10.95% profitability right there. Easy, right? So now let's take that away, because that is done. That is over. Now check this out. Okay, 10.9% profitability right there. Good call. Now the first things first. Okay, we need to see something. Obviously, the trend in Tattoo Chef of going higher is broken. So there's no need for us to hold this horizontal, well, not vertical line here, this ascending line. There's no need for us to keep it there, because it's pointless. It is not useful for us being in this position. So we need to use it in a way that would make it beneficial for us, right? Okay, cool. So now let's take a look at Tattoo Chef on a different time frame. Now this is the 3-day. Okay, now of course the market here in Tattoo Chef is weak, yes, but it's not extremely weak to where you would expect the market price to plummet. And one of the good things that I can tell in Tattoo Chef is that this market price is still in an upward trend. That is fantastic for us to see the price in Tattoo Chef maintaining its upward momentum. Now, it's not a very severe upward move, not at all. But you guys can tell, let me see if I could draw it for you. We've been trading. Every time the market comes down, we come down and touch that ascending line. We need to be prepared for that. It's just that easy, just that simple. And for us to expect price to go higher, that would be the cheapest price that we could come in and buy Tattoo Chef, only under the premise that price is going to maintain this trend. Because if we break this trend, then the market is definitely weak. Okay. So we're going to use that line as this trend now. This is going to be our trend in Tattoo Chef. We appreciate him showing us this information, right? Everyone is running around telling you that the market is manipulated, that you can't ever win in the market, but the trap dropped hints to us every day he comes in and moves these markets. You just got to learn how to interpret it. That's all. So even if the market is manipulated, you can still use that to your advantage, because these are clues. This is evidence as to where price is trying to go. We just need to follow it in order for us to win. All right. So now this is our trend. So our expectation is for the market trap to try to come in and prop up price alongside that ascending line. That's our first indication right there. Okay. So that takes us to around like $18. Okay. We can see that. 5-day time frame. Are we still seeing weakness here into the market in Tattoo Chef? Yes, we are. But the market price, the market dynamics is not extremely weak. Let's see how we ended out on the week. This is the weekly time frame here too. So again, I'm not really seeing that much weakness on these charts for Tattoo Chef, but it is here. It is present, and you need to be prepared for it. 2 weeks time frame. Pretty much the same thing. Okay. So now, how low do you think the price in Tattoo Chef is going to go? Like I said, right there alongside that ascending line is where we're going to see this price try to hit. Okay. Now we continue to see the weakness though around $18 or even alongside this ascending line. Yeah, be prepared for the market to go a lot lower than that too. Okay. So let's do it. We got 6 days and 5 hours left, and I already don't like what is going on this monthly price bar in Tattoo Chef. I don't like that neither. But again, I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. We still got 6 days and 5 hours left before he finishes his work on the monthly time frame. So now let me transition this back over to the daily, and let's run another price prediction, right? So check this out. We said around what, $18? That's about 7%. Not much, but we are being prepared to see the market price reverse course of going lower to one of going higher, because he's all in the business trying to make us lose. It's just that simple. He's trying to take your money, he's trying to take my money, and we're trying to do it vice versa. We need to get the money back. That's how we need to play this game. There ain't no friends in this markets. Someone is trying to take your money from you, and we're trying to do the same thing, trying to take the money from them. All right. So check this out. This is what we're going to play with into the market in Tattoo Chef. We're going to play the weakness here. We're going to keep that $21 area as our ultimate area as of restriction, meaning if price gives us strength above $21, then we need to alter this price prediction. Then we need to get rid of this prediction and play the long side or buy side of the market. Here, $18 is where we're going to try to TP out the market in Tattoo Chef. It's only 7%. Now, depending on your risk tolerance, depending on if you think that's even worthy to come in and play, do it or you don't, right? You don't have to. If you think the market's going to go a lot lower, be prepared for that too. $17. What do you think? So that's it right there. We're going to do it around 18. Okay. So now I want to know, this is what we're anticipating the trap to do. This is his movements that we're anticipating that he's going to take this price. Now I want to know, what do you think he's going to do? Where will he move this price? Drop a comment in the comment section and tell us. We're not about that confusion. We're not about the hype. If the market's going to go lower, we are obligated to tell our people that the price is going to go lower. We're not here just to think that everything's going to be bells, roses, and cupcakes and unicorns. It's ridiculous for people to think that in a market that's dominated by greed. Everything is dominated by greed. Not everything. I mean the stock market, the cryptocurrency space. Any market still, whether it's buyers and sellers, is dominated by greed. So why would you think people have your interests at heart? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different. Peace.